Hello, and good to find you. Today I want to present you a small and interesting device that will turn your normal vacuum cleaner into a Dyson. Let's see how it looks exactly. It works with a single battery, and I will attach it to the edge of the cleaning brush. In the box, we also have this black piece that I don't know what it is, a manual in Chinese and 2 double adhesive squares. I will try to position it before gluing it because it is very difficult to take it down afterwards. This is how it looks assembled. This is how it looks after I started it. I turned off the interior lights because otherwise you can barely see the laser. We start looking for the mess. I have already cleaned for 2 days. Let's see what we can find next. I have already found something, which I did not see with the light on. The darker it is, the better you see. In this case, the mess. Here I will try to film under the sofa. On the carpet, I don't know if it helps me or not. Here I am in the area where the child eats and spills the food. What I want to show you here is the fact that it is important from the front or back you mount it because the light propagation angle is different. What do you think about this gadget? Don't forget to write your opinion in the comments.